Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Orbic Magic 5G for Straight Talk. So the Orbic Magic 5G is a new budget phone for Straight Talk. This is a 5G smartphone, of course. So it's available now for $299.99. It's available in black, and that's the phone right there. The model number is R678EL. So yeah, this is the Orbic Magic 5G. This is the first Orbic phone on Straight Talk. Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, so there it is. You guys have your whole punch your front facing camera. It looks fucked up on here. I don't know why. It's like the camera line. It's like the hole punch is right against the bezel there. I don't know. It kind of looks fucked up. Kind of does. You guys also got your earpiece on the front. You got your power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there, and you guys got your big ass screen here with your buttons and everything else. So yeah, on the back of the Orbic Magic 5G, you guys got 3 cameras, along with the camera flash fingerprint sensor, track phone logo, Orbic Magic 5G logo, which is pretty dope. And yeah, the left side of the phone, right side of the phone, like I said, power button, volume keys, and I think your left side of the phone will have your SIM card and micro SD card slot, alright? So yeah, let's go ahead and check out this phone here. It says stay connected with the Orbic Magic 5G smartphone. The Orbic Magic 5G smartphone, the Orbic Magic 5G brings you premium craftsmanship and value to the palm of your hands for a fraction of the price of other 5G smartphones. Harness the power of 5G speeds on the 6.78-inch Full HD Plus LCD display. Whether you are in the mood to capture tantalizing images with the triple rear cameras and share with friends will upload to your favorite social media network within seconds, or watch content come to life for hours of uninterrupted streaming. The Orbic Magic 5G was engineered to do it all, featuring a 5,000 mAh battery and quick charge 3.0. That's like old technology now, but you know what? It's still using it here. The Orbic Magic 5G keeps you connected for longer, and a few minutes of charging can give you hours of extra standby. So pretty cool there. A value-packed 5G smartphone for less. Orbic Magic 5G gives you a bigger display, 6.78-inch screen, and faster speeds without the high price tag. Triple rear camera, capture the moment over and over again. And with the amazing 48 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel wide angle capture, and the 2 megapixel macro triple rear camera with flash and for selfies, video calls. The Magic 5G also features a 16 megapixel front facing camera, so not too bad there in terms of camera specs and whatnot. Long live the battery. Staying connected on the go is easier than ever with the Orbic Magic 5G, which offers a full day of battery life no matter how you use it. The device also features a 5,000 mAh battery and quick charge 3.0, which keeps you connected for longer, and a few minutes of charging can give you hours of extra standby time, so that's pretty good. So that has a big ass battery in it. It does have fast charge on it, which is pretty good. You know, it does have old technology though. Quick charge 3.0, that is old as hell. It's like 5-6 years old now. My LG V20 has quick charge 3.0, and that phone's 5 years old. So you know, hey, quick charge 3.0 is not bad. Like I said, that is a 5-year-old technology. So hey, you do have fast charge, so that's very nice. There's the front right there, front, back, and side there. So yeah, the phone looks, pretty nice, except for the front there where the hole punch is for your front facing camera. It does kind of look fucked up. It kind of looks fucked up as hell. I don't know what the hell they were doing. I hope it doesn't look like that when you guys get the actual phone. Hopefully not. I don't know. I haven't seen videos about this phone, so I don't know if it actually looks like that in real life or anything. I don't know. Hopefully it don't, because it looks fucked up with the hole punch right it just looks fucked up. You have Bluetooth, battery, 5,000 mAh battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 635, 5G hearing aid, talk time to 10 hours, memory 64 gigabytes of ROM and 6 gigabytes of RAM, weight 6.70 ounces. So yeah, the specs on here are decent. The RAM is pretty good for $300, not bad. The ROM is a bit low. They should at least like 128 gigs in there, but 64 gigs is not. It's not really that great now, because you're getting a lot of budget phones coming out with 128 gigabytes of storage. 64 gigabytes is laughable at this point now. It's 64 gigabytes is laughable. It is, like, you know, I mean, 64 gigabytes is not bad, but it's not great either. It's not great either. It's not terrible by any means, but it's not great either. I would have wished that they would have stuck 128 gigabytes of storage in there. You do get a micro SD card on this phone, I think, so that will help out a lot. So what comes in the box is your Orbic Magic 5G smartphone charger, USB charger with probably USB-C, quick start guide, safety and warranty information. Scroll down here, it has Android 11. Android R means Android 11, guys, so that's really nice. You have 2.2 gigahertz octa-core processor with 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of onboard memory, which I would have wished was 128 gigs at least. But 64 gigabytes is not terrible, but it's not great either. It's kind of laughable for this. I mean, I get it's a budget phone, but you can get $300 5G phones that has 128 gigabytes of storage. But it's Orbic that we're talking about here, so you know, it is what it is, guys. You do get a 6.78 inch HD plus TFDT. I'm not sure what the hell that is. It's an LCD display, so nothing special about the display there. You do get 3 cameras on the rear, 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 16 megapixel front facing camera. So that is very nice. And of course, you guys get a 5,000 mAh battery with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. So specs on here are decent. They're not that great, especially the memory. The RAM is fine for the price. It's fine, but the memory is a bit low in my opinion. Come on, now, get the fuck off of here. But yeah, the RAM is a bit low. So there you guys have it. The Orbic Magic 5G is now here at Straight Talk. This is Straight Talk's first Orbic smartphone. This is a 5G phone, of course. So you're getting 5G for $300. That's like the main selling point, and this will be using the Verizon towers. So obviously that's pretty much giving now, because Straight Talk uses Verizon towers now. So you're getting 5G on Verizon's network for $300. No contract, so that's a win. There are some decent features about this phone. You get 3 cameras in the rear. You get a fingerprint sensor in the rear as well. Nice ass looking phone. The phone looks, pretty nice. I do like the Orbic Magic logo. I do like that. That thing is pretty cool. The only thing I don't like about the phone, guys, is the front facing camera. Cause y'all guys to see how it is right there. I'm hoping it's not like that in real life or anything, because I haven't seen no videos about this phone yet, so don't know. But hopefully, because the way that it's pictured here, the whole punch free front facing camera is like fucked up. It's like right against the bezel there on the top there, so that just kind of looks fucked up to me. Also, the memory is a bit low. It's 64 gigs. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not great either. It's kind of laughable, kind of. It's kind of laughable at 64 gigabytes now, because a lot of phones in this price point are coming with 128 gigabytes of storage. So, but other than that, the phone is what you expect it to be. It's a budget phone, so it is what it is, guys. You are getting, pretty decent specs. You're getting a big ass battery. You're getting fast charge and stuff like that, and Android 11, which is very nice. Yeah, man, there you guys have it, the Orbic Magic 5G now here at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lasts me a lot, peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.